It was my understanding it was just going to be those that are citizens of the United States or here as permanent legal residents. Are there folks beyond that that are eligible for tax credit, taxpayer subsidies under this program?
You have to be a citizen or lawfully present.
Lawfully present. What does that mean?
Well, you could be here on a student visa and be eligible.
Okay. So a student from Germany comes to the United States to do 4 years of college. That student is going to be subsidized by taxpayers for health insurance?
They are eligible for subsidies depending on their income, yes.
Okay. Somebody comes here to the United States on a travel visa, has a visa for a certain period of time, a number of months, and perhaps wants to stay longer. Will that person be able to apply for tax subsidized insurance coverage while here?
Well, if they overstay the visa, then no.
But they're able to apply while they're here legally, lawfully?
I believe so, yes.
Okay.
Mr. Cohen, in terms of what would be helpful for Congress to aid with smooth implementation, are 40 repeal votes what you would consider being productive?
I don't think they move the ball forward in terms of my job, no.
And I'll ask this question of both you, Mr. Cohen and Mr. Werfel. Will tomorrow's 40th repeal vote to block tax credits from going to working families help with the implementation of the Affordable Care Act in any way?
No.
I don't think it'll have any impact.
Mr. Cohen, I'd like to clarify one of the issues brought up earlier. There was talk of the hub that will verify transactions in the marketplace. Can you clarify, will any personal data be stored on the hub?
No, the hub just routes information from the secure data sources, IRS, Social Security, et cetera, so that we can verify information that people put on their applications.
Just 3 weeks ago, we had by rule a statement that said you were not ready to fully verify income. What has changed in those 3 weeks?
What's changed is that we've looked at our process and we have confirmed that we are able to verify income for 100% of the applicants who will be submitting applications to the marketplaces.
You can verify for 1 to 2%?
100%.
100%?
Yes, we will be verifying.
So if that is the case, I'm just really curious how in just 3 weeks, with a rule being put out just 3 weeks ago to say we do not have the technology to be able to do that, and yet 3 weeks later we're now seeing, oh, all of a sudden we have the technology to do that.
No,
how did that happen?
That's not right. We said we were going to sample, and now we've concluded that the sample size is going to be 100%.